definition of how I be ripping rappers, I'm vicious. Equipped with magnificent verbalistic linguistics. I'm not the one to trick with. I'm more explosive than mixing dynamite sticks with nitroglycerin liquid. My figure of speech unleash venomous beasts. I'm a ridiculous creep with vigorous beats. Your clique could be admitting defeat. You get your face punctured like we were sparring, but I was kicking with cleats.
Money in my pockets and money in the mattress. Money in the bank and it's money in the stashes. Money on the floor, more money in the attic. Money by the sink and some money in the cabinet. I'm seeing money, I hope y'all got it, cause I got hundreds just jumping out my wallet.